In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. This method is 100% legal here. We are getting Spotify Premium from official website of Spotify. This is a quick and easy simple way to get Spotify Premium account without spending any money. Let's dive into the video. First, you need to open your browser. Here you need to type Spotify Premium. Now go to their official website. Here you can see they offers 1 month free trial for new premium users. All you need to do is once it expires, you need to log in from new account. Now click on Try 1 month free. Scroll down and click on Sign up for new account. In this video, you can watch how to make unlimited emails to do this. You can watch that video and link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.